Hi, I'm Tony from A&R Boilers, members of the Engineer Team Network. And today's boiler what we're looking at is a Glowworm Betacom 324C. As you can see, it's got an F28 code. This means ignition lockout. Now in the cold weather conditions what we're having right now, it's been freezing temperatures. I'll show you outside. It's icy out there. You can see the van and you can see the snow. So what's happened, we've got a frozen condenser pipe and it's caused the boiler to go into this condition. So if you've got this problem, you need to unfreeze your condenser pipe outside, or the condenser pipe could be at the wrong size and it might need upgrading to a bigger size pipe. So once that's all done, you need to reset the boiler. So I'll just show you how you reset the boiler. So what you do, you press this button, hold it in for about 5 seconds or so till it changes to that, then let go, and then the boiler is reset. So that's the end of this quick video on how to reset the boiler with that code. So thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next video.